Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this lesson. Our subject is basic science and technology, and we are considering physical health education, which is PHE. Our topic for today is hockey. And in hockey, we'll be looking at the history and skills. My name is Miss Adegoke. You are welcome to this class. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the game of hockey in your own words, give a brief history of the game of hockey, mention skills of hockey game. Now, we come to the game of hockey. Look at the screen. You can see some ladies in that picture, in this picture. You can see one of them, in charge, in control of the ball there. And then you can see that she's holding a stick in her hand, a curved stick. She's not the only one. All of them have curved stick. Look at the mouth, the tip of that stick. You see that it is curved. Okay, that's how hockey is played. You can see her, focusing on the ball. She's not using her leg to kick the ball. She's not using her hand to pass the ball. She's holding on to a stick, and it is that stick that she and the team players are using to pass the ball around. That's what hockey is. So hockey is a game played by two teams, each made up of 11 players. There are two teams, each team has 11 players. Now, the game is played on a rectangular field with curved sticks. Each of the opponents try to score goals as well as define their size with curved line. Now, let's look at the history of hockey, where hockey came from, the origin of hockey. Hockey started in 1876 when the few clubs that played the game came together in London to form a hockey union. The union then drafted uniform rules for the hockey game. Uniform rules means the rules they draft, they put down, is what everybody that wants to play the game will abide by. Now, in 1924, the Federation of International Hockey was founded. And this is the world body in charge of hockey game. Its headquarters is in Brussels. In 1952, hockey game came to Nigeria. The Nigeria Hockey Federation was formed, and it is this Nigeria Hockey Federation that make rules for the game in Nigeria. You can see this picture of hockey players. You see them. This is, players congratulating themselves after a match. This is, you see these players here. They are practicing. You can see them, all of them with their curved sticks. And then you can see the ball there. The ball is smaller in size to that of a football. Look at these players here. You see the same, the game is played with so much vigor and enthusiasm like that of football. It is a game. Some people have to win and then the other team have to lose. It is a game. So you have to put in all your passion. You have to put in a lot of training for it. This is another picture of two players trying to gain control of the ball. Now we want to look at the skills of hockey. What are the skills that you need? You need to strike. We have striking. We have shooting. And then we have defending. These are some of the skills of hockey. You can see this is also a picture of hockey players. Now, as much as hockey is played on the field, it can also be played, on ice. And then you see the players, with their skates. Now, in conclusion, hockey is a game played by two teams, and each team is made up of 11 players. The game is played on a rectangular field with curved sticks. So you have to answer these questions. Question 1. Hockey started in what year? 2. How many teams and players play the game of hockey? 3. Mention 3 skills of hockey. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.